Today, we will discuss JetBrains AI and ChatGPT. Both depend on large language models or LLMs to interpret and produce text that resembles human writing. This indicates that both employ deep learning methods to comprehend and react to user inputs. Both showcase the progress in AI's capacity to comprehend and create text that resembles human writing, utilizing this skill to offer meaningful support to users. Now, let's examine the main features of these two platforms. JetBrains AI is uniquely crafted to improve the developer experience in JetBrains IDEs such as IntelliJ IDEA, PyCharm, and others. Its power comes from its thorough integration with the IDE, facilitating capabilities such as smart code completion, code generation, refactoring help, and context-sensitive recommendations. Its goal is to simplify the coding workflow and enhance developer efficiency. Since it is incorporated within the IDE, JetBrains AI enjoys improved access to the project's context, enabling it to offer more precise and pertinent recommendations. ChatGPT is created as a flexible language model that can perform various tasks such as producing text, responding to inquiries, translating languages, and coding. Performs exceptionally well in conversational exchanges and is capable of delivering imaginative and insightful replies. Although it can produce code, its main emphasis isn't just on integrated development environment or IDE support. It is beneficial for brainstorming, content generation, research, and overall information gathering. All in all, if your primary need is general purpose AI assistance, ChatGPT is a strong choice. If you are a JetBrains IDE user and want to enhance your coding workflow, JetBrains AI offers valuable context-aware assistance.